Banking in metaverse. I think this is like you have to reimagine your world. Go back to the time when there was no internet, and as the internet started to mature over a period of time. I mean, nobody would have thought about Amazons or Googles of the world when in the early 2000s, right? I mean, so it is a journey today. A metaverse is a kind of a place where it's sort of mixing of your the virtual and the real world. It's coming together, it's blurring the boundaries of those two, and that's where the magic happens. So metaverse is a possibility. It gives an immense opportunity for the banks to interact with the customers in a very different way, in a unique way, in an immersive experience, right? In the world when today, if you look at it, traditional banks, the major high street banks are closing their branches, but there is still an opportunity for them to create that personalized experience for somebody to come and talk to their advisors in person, in a meta world, in a metaverse world, in a virtual world. And that's the beauty of it. I mean, you can still interact and give that personal touch to the customer, whereas there's no real branch today exists in the world, right? So that's the beauty. So that's one of the use case I'm talking about. Now if you expand that out to the various aspects of metaverse, right, where you can talk about digital assets, you can buy and sell the NFTs, non-fungible tokens. How do you convert the cryptocurrencies into real money, fiat money? There are a lot of fintech companies working in that space. And then there is not one metaverse, there's multiple metaverses, right? And then you're talking about how do you enable customers to buy lands, properties on the meta world. I mean, there's already JP Morgan who bought a land in Decentraland. There's HSBC who is trying to buy a land in the sandbox. So there's banks who are already making the move. Similarly, Kaksha Bank, who's already moved it with Imagine Land, right? They have created, they are the kind of pioneers in going and launching the metaverse and so on and so forth. So it's a huge opportunity. As per Goldman Sachs, they claim that it's going to be 8 trillion opportunity in terms of the size of the opportunity for banks and financial services. So, I mean, it's about how banks can move fast, how they can move quickly, and how they can create that wow factor. How can they connect with the new generation, which people today, if you look at it, that 25% of the people are already on the gaming platforms. Kids are already there. I mean, wearing the Google VR glasses or augmented reality is pretty common. So there's a lot of things that's happening already in the world. So it's about bank to come into that world, create those new experiences that will kind of change the way the customer is going to interact with the bank in the future, and how bank can provide services to the customers.